Get into a car with value. 2021 Subaru Crosstrek. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. This ruggedly styled Crosstrek delivers peace of mind wherever the road may lead. From its all-weather capability to its high marks for safety, this compact crossover inspires confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, fog lamps, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, alarm. This affordable, well-built Crosstrek won't last long. Why not take it out for a spin? Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.